Hello, students. Today, I'm going to introduce you to something fascinating in the world of network science, temporal graphs. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a temporal graph? Well, in simple terms, a temporal graph is a type of graph where connections between nodes change over time. Imagine you have a network of friends on your favorite social media platform. One day, you're connected to your friends from school, and the next day, you have new connections from a summer camp. Those changing connections over time? That's a temporal graph in action. Temporal graphs are incredibly powerful tools for modeling time-dependent network data. They help researchers understand how relationships evolve, how information spreads, and even predict future connections. For example, think about how diseases spread. By using temporal graphs, scientists can track how an infection moves from person to person and predict who might get sick next. Pretty cool, right? But temporal graphs aren't just for social networks or epidemiology. They're used in transportation networks to model how traffic flows over time, in communication networks to analyze the flow of information, and even in financial markets to study the dynamics of stock prices. The applications are endless. Let's dive a little deeper. In a static graph, connections between nodes are fixed, but in a temporal graph, each connection has a timestamp. This allows us to see not just if two nodes are connected, but when they're connected. This time dimension adds a whole new layer of analysis. For instance, in a transportation network, you can see how the traffic changes from morning rush hour to the evening. Or in a social network, you can observe how interactions spike during certain events, like festivals or exams. Understanding temporal graphs can open up a world of possibilities for researchers and data scientists. Imagine being able to predict traffic jams before they happen, or identifying the best times to post on social media for maximum engagement. All of this is possible with the power of temporal graphs. If you're a student interested in network science, diving into the world of temporal graphs can be both challenging and rewarding. It's a field that's constantly evolving and has a huge impact on our daily lives. So the next time you're looking at a network, whether it's your group of friends, a city's transportation system, or even the internet itself, remember that there's a whole layer of temporal data just waiting to be explored. Thanks for discovering the power of temporal graphs with me today. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe for more updates. And remember, you can find additional resources and nominate new topics at networkscience.researchwoo.com. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.